How to copy Instagram Reels video link. So I have it here in my profile and I have posted some Reels in the past. For example, I want to copy this video link. What I can do is I can head over and then click on this share icon right here. And then in here you can see this option for copy link. Head over and copy that. And then as you can see, it's been copied. Now you can head over and send it to people wherein you want to actually send it. However, it's a different case if you want to send a Reels that is not posted by you. You can head over right here to your Reels and you can watch a lot of Reels right here like this one. Like for example, if you want to share it or copy this link, just click on the share option right here and then click on this copy link right here. Then once I've copied that, you can actually just send it to people that you want to send it into. So that's how you copy Instagram Reels video link. Hope we help.